Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in bright white. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, active lane management system, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7473.